This Office Mix is going to talk about what is new in the Dynamics AX user experience. For all of those people that are on CTP 7, it will show you what you will get when you upgrade to CTP 8, and ultimately what you will get when you upgrade to the February release of Dynamics AX. First, let's talk about the navigation experience. Before we do that, I want to introduce you to the terminology. We have two major components of our navigation experience. We have the navigation bar, or nav bar for short. This is the black bar that sits at the top of the application, which provides the search, the switching companies, the notification area, the help, and the place to provide feedback. Along the left side is what we call the navigation pane, or the nav pane for short. This is where you would access favorites, recent workspaces, or modules. We've modified Dynamics AX so it's much more responsive to narrow screen widths. Notice the navigation bar at the top. Now as you go down to a narrower screen width, such as you'd see on a tablet, it responds very well to that. And in fact, you could actually get down to a very narrow screen width and it still displays things correctly. Now if I go back to the normal size, you can see all of those things responding appropriately. Based on feedback we've received from some of our early go-live customers, we've added the ability to pin the navigation pane. So you can now click this pin button and the navigation pane will remain docked to the left edge of the screen, and then you would be able to navigate through any of the pages that you want. So in this case, I'm going to go to all customers. I could drill through on one of those customers. And you can see that this pane remains on the left, and if I quickly wanted to jump to all sales orders, I could do so without having to open the pane first. For the users that don't want to keep the navigation pane pinned open, they can simply close it and it will just open on an as-needed basis. We've also reduced the number of clicks it will take to navigate through the modules. Now when you click one of the modules, you will see a full page of all the menu items related to that module. And you no longer have to go click through the various menus.